Did you know your indoor plants could grow 2x faster without expensive tools or complicated care? Most people think plants grow slowly no matter what, but that's actually a myth. The truth is, your plants are either thriving or just surviving, and one small mistake could be holding them back right now. If your leaves look dull, growth feels stuck, or your plant hasn't changed in months, don't worry. Today, I'm revealing simple but powerful secrets that can transform your indoor plants into fast-growing, lush beauties. Stick around, because tip number 5 is something almost nobody talks about, yet it makes a huge difference. 1. Choose fast-growing plants first. If you want fast results, the biggest mistake you can make is choosing the wrong plant. Not all indoor plants grow at the same speed. Some naturally take months just to produce a single new leaf, while others grow like crazy with minimal effort. Fast-growing plants are designed by nature to spread quickly. That means they respond faster to care, adapt better to indoor environments, and give you visible progress in a short time. This is especially important if you're a beginner, because quick growth keeps you motivated and confident. Plants with vining or spreading habits tend to grow the fastest indoors. They focus on extending stems and producing new leaves regularly, which creates that lush, full look everyone loves. Instead of waiting forever for a plant to grow tall, these plants fill your space quickly and beautifully. Another advantage is resilience. Fast growers usually recover quicker from mistakes like missed watering or low light. So even if you're not perfect, your plant still has a strong chance to bounce back and continue growing. Once you start with the right plant, everything becomes easier. You'll notice new leaves, longer vines, and stronger stems much sooner, and that momentum encourages you to keep improving your plant care routine. So before anything else, remember this: fast growth starts with the right choice. 2. Give the perfect light. This changes everything. Light is the single most important factor for plant growth. Without enough light, your plant simply doesn't have the energy to grow, no matter how much you water or fertilize it. Think of light as food for your plant. Through photosynthesis, plants convert light into energy, which fuels every new leaf, root, and stem. When light is weak or inconsistent, growth slows down dramatically, and your plant may even stop growing altogether. For fast indoor growth, bright, indirect light is ideal. This means placing your plant near a window where it receives plenty of daylight, but not harsh, direct sunlight that can burn the leaves. East-facing windows are great for gentle morning light, while south-facing windows provide stronger light throughout the day. If your home doesn't get enough natural light, don't worry. You can easily use grow lights to mimic sunlight. These lights provide consistent energy and can significantly speed up plant growth when used for about 10 to 12 hours daily. Also, rotate your plants every few days. This ensures all sides receive equal light and prevents uneven growth or leaning. Once you fix your lighting, you'll often see results within weeks: new leaves, brighter color, and stronger stems. It's one of the fastest ways to boost plant growth instantly. Water smart, not more. One of the biggest myths in plant care is that more water equals faster growth. In reality, overwatering is one of the fastest ways to slow your plant down or even kill it. Plants don't just need water, they need oxygen too. When soil stays constantly wet, the roots can't breathe properly. This leads to root rot, weak growth, and yellowing leaves. Instead of growing faster, your plant becomes stressed and stagnant. The key is to water smart. Always check the top layer of soil before watering. If the top 2 to 3 centimeters feels dry, it's time to water. If it still feels moist, wait a little longer. This simple habit can dramatically improve your plant's health. When you do water, do it thoroughly. Let the water flow through the drainage holes so the roots get evenly hydrated. Then let excess water drain completely. Never let your plant sit in standing water. Consistency is more important than frequency. Plants thrive when they have a stable routine, not random bursts of care. Once you master watering, you'll notice stronger roots, faster leaf growth, and healthier overall plants. It's not about giving more, it's about giving exactly what your plant needs. Feed your plants for rapid growth. If light is energy, then fertilizer is fuel for faster growth. Indoor plants rely on nutrients in the soil, but over time, those nutrients get used up. Without replenishing them, your plant simply doesn't have the resources to grow quickly. Fertilizer provides essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Nitrogen helps with leafy growth, phosphorus supports root development, and potassium strengthens the overall plant. When these are balanced, your plant grows faster and looks healthier. For indoor plants, liquid fertilizers are one of the easiest options. They are quickly absorbed and can be applied every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. This steady feeding keeps your plant active and continuously producing new growth. However, more is not always better. Over-fertilizing can damage roots and slow growth instead of boosting it. Always follow the recommended dosage and dilute when necessary. Another great option is organic feeding. Compost, worm castings, or natural plant food can improve soil quality while providing nutrients gradually. Once your plant starts receiving proper nutrition, you'll notice the difference: larger leaves, deeper green color, and faster development overall. Feeding your plants is like upgrading their growth engine. Control temperature and humidity. Hidden secret. Here's the secret most people ignore. Even if you do everything right, your plant won't grow fast if the environment is wrong. Indoor plants, especially tropical ones, thrive in warm and slightly humid conditions. When temperatures drop too low or air becomes too dry, growth slows down significantly. Your plant goes into survival mode instead of growth mode. The ideal temperature range for most indoor plants is between 18 degrees Celsius and 30 degrees Celsius. Avoid placing plants near air conditioners, fans, or cold drafts, as sudden changes can stress them. Humidity is just as important. Dry air can cause brown leaf edges, slow growth, and weak development. To fix this, you can mist your plants, place a bowl of water nearby, or group plants together to create a mini humid environment. If you want to go a step further, using a humidifier can make a huge difference, especially in dry climates or air-conditioned rooms. Once you stabilize temperature and humidity, your plant will respond quickly. Growth becomes more consistent, leaves look healthier, and overall vitality improves. This is the hidden upgrade that separates slow growers from thriving indoor jungles. Prune, repot, and boost growth instantly. If your plant looks stuck and not growing, it might not be a care issue, it could be a space issue. Over time, plants outgrow their pots. When roots become crowded, they can't expand properly, which limits growth above the soil. This is when repotting becomes essential. Moving your plant into a slightly larger pot gives the roots room to spread, which directly boosts growth speed. Pruning is another powerful technique. Removing dead or weak leaves allows the plant to redirect energy towards new growth. It also improves airflow and keeps your plant looking fresh and healthy. Cleaning the leaves is often overlooked but very important. Dust blocks sunlight, reducing photosynthesis. Simply wiping leaves with a damp cloth can instantly improve energy absorption. You can also propagate certain plants to encourage fuller growth. Cutting and replanting stems can create a bushier, more vibrant plant over time. These small actions may seem simple, but together they create a massive impact. When your plant has space, clean leaves, and proper structure, it grows faster and stronger than ever. Now you know the secrets to growing indoor plants faster than ever. It's not about doing more, it's about doing things the right way. Start with the right plant, give it proper light, water smart, feed it well, and create the perfect environment, and you'll see your plants transform right before your eyes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a fellow plant lover. And comment below, which plant are you trying to grow faster? See you in the next video.